Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to navigate the myGC feedback screen. Feedback is essential for evaluating and understanding the user's overall experience, the quality of service received, and identifying areas for improvement in the application. By providing feedback, users can share their opinions and experiences with the myGC team. They can rate their experience on a scale and leave comments explaining their rating. In this video, we will start on the myGC dashboard screen. Click on the feedback button in the bottom left corner of the screen on the navigation panel. The feedback screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections within this screen. Select the appropriate rating icon that best reflects your experience with myGC. Next, complete the Tell Us Why fields with additional information in regards with your user experience. Click on the Yes or No button to notify us whether we may contact you to learn more about the feedback you have given. If you selected Yes, you can choose how we will contact, either with an email or via a phone call. If you would like to become a beta tester, click on the Join Beta Tester button. A beta tester tests new software or products before their official release to help identify and fix any issues or bugs. By becoming a beta tester, you can become part of a group that helps improve the product by identifying potential problems. Additional information and fields will appear that is required to read and fill in. Alternatively, click on the Not Interested button if you do not wish to join the beta testing group. Once done, click on the Send button. A notification will appear stating the feedback has been sent successfully.